Give me a sec. And it's done. All set?
Three, two, one.
Get that controller out of your hands. Turns majestically, Dan. Release. Right in the middle.
5 kilos.
That doesn't look like 5. Shut up. I see, because it's got that rev to pull it off. Can't believe I built both these vehicles myself. I'm just that good. You gotta hit me out here. So are we still? You still need to get $100 off it.
So I look at thanks for Ben for funding this project.
For funding the research. That's still pretty good.